happens in your end, okay, as a merchant, or maybe in the user's end, right? It doesn't matter. But if you have this alternative image alternative text, okay, that will improve the ranking of your website as well, because you kind of especially if that image text related to your website. Let's say if you are selling something unique, okay, something unique, and you use a lot of image, okay, if someone search for the relevant keywords and your image happens to be matched, okay, your alternative image tag happens to be to match with the one keyword searched by the users, so there is a higher probability that your website will be one of the key results, one of the results of search lah. Okay, so that's why it is a good practice to provide this image alternative tags. Okay. Kemudian we already talk about the internal linking, the sitemaps, and also the page speeds. Okay, page speeds also affect your homepage SEO. So meaning here, please try to minimize the use of what videos, okay, gambar, or all the JavaScripts, all the heavy tools, heavy applications online. Okay, kalau ada image pun you have to use the image sparingly. Kalau videos pun maybe just sparingly lah. Okay, do not use a lot of videos and so on, because it will slow down your websites. Okay, and that will actually affect your ranking, because people don't like to wait. Okay, there is a research say that if people will not wait more than maybe 5 seconds, okay, for your for a page of yours to appear. Okay, if more than 5 seconds, they will just click away. That's why try to avoid or minimize the use of videos, the use of big size image, things like that. Okay, this is to improve your page speed. All right. So that's actually a bit on page SEO. Okay, on page SEO. So some of these things you actually can be done through use SEO. I'm sure you have already watched the video how to do that. So hopefully you will create all the necessary text tadi tu, okay, to improve your search engine optimizations lah. I mean for Google to actually index your page, okay, and give you a good ranking. Okay, because nanti this is actually one of the criteria that I will use when I evaluate your website. Okay, whether or not you have all this set up. Okay, so please make sure you install this use SEO plugin. Okay, biasa dah ada setengah pada awak yang dah buat kan, ada yang tak buat lagi lah. Okay, so macam mana nak install use ni? Right. So saya tunjuk sikit lah. So go to your open your website. Okay, go to the admin session and click plugins, then search for this kat sini ya, YOAST. Dia betul kejadian saya betul. Ataupun just type SEO lah kat sini. SEO. use SEO. Okay, so I already told you about this. Whether you can use SEO or in one SEO, it's up to you. Okay, if you want to use, you click install now here. Right, successfully install, activate plugin. Okay, then click setting. Okay, then click dashboard. Okay, features. Tengok satu-satu ni. Salah masih ni. My internet connection is not that good. Something. I'll just check. Here, I think can show you the database. Maybe something wrong with the, but apa sebab as you can see here, ada webmaster tools kan. These two use as well. You actually can set up your Google Analytics. I mean, you can connect. You open your Google Analytics account or create one, and you can connect through use SEO as well. Okay, there are other ways to do that. I'm going to show you later. But this is one of the ways lah. If you already install use SEO, okay, you can also connect it with Google Webmasters ataupun Google Console ataupun Google Analytics. They are all the same, right? Google Analytics. So you can do it. So here, it seems something wrong here. I can't show you. But I'm sure you have already watched the videos and how to and on how to set up to create the macam title tags, right? The title and also the descriptions and other important things lah. Okay, just like continue with this one. All right. Then let's talk a bit about off-page SEO. Okay, off-page SEO. Basically, it is about link building. Okay, that means what you are doing is actually you want apa tu panggil inbound links. Inbound tu maksudnya links from outside coming to your site. Okay, links from outside coming to your site. You want people or other or external websites to link to you. Why? Okay, there are many reasons to that. Okay, one of it, if they are just like people, if many people knows you, if many people know you, that means you are popular, right? You are popular, you are somebody. So the same applies to websites. Okay, if many external outside out there link to you, okay, So that means you are popular, you are of some authority, okay, you are important. So the same principle applies here. Okay. So basically, okay, the more websites ataupun the more external links, okay, external connection links to you, the better. Okay, but of course, there are some good what we call links, some good some bad links lah. Macam manusia kan, kalau there are so many crooks know you, that means they say something about you as well. Okay, if there are so many VIPs, good people know you, okay, of course it is good for you, right? Good people, VIPs, maybe ministers, whatever, orang-orang yang penting know you, that means you are somebody. Okay, kalau katakan ramai penjahat, crooks know you, that means you are somebody, it does not speak well about you, right? Okay. So, okay, this is the reasons why we need, many websites or external links, okay, coming to our websites. Okay, first, it improve our credibility. Okay, that means our website is credible because many websites out there, okay, link to our website credible. That means the informations or maybe the services, the products, okay, anything on our website can be can be trusted, okay, or something that is important. Then it improve domain authority. Okay, there are some tools that actually measure this domain authority. Okay, they use a lot of metrics in order to determine this domain authority. One of the metrics is the age of the domain itself. Okay, how long the domain has been active, for example, and also maybe the numbers of external links that link to the website. Okay, and maybe there are other factors as well. Maybe they include as well the on-page SEO metrics such as the speed of the page. Okay, so yang tu dia akan improve the domain authority. That means then improve referral traffic. Okay, that means when somebody talks about your website, okay, on their blog, for example, okay, and then provide links to your website, okay, when the reader read the blogs and click the link, so they will go to your website. That's what we call as a referral traffic. So you kind of get free traffic from all these links. Okay, free traffic from all these links, right? If somebody blogging something about your service, okay, maybe they are praising your service, very good, excellent, and so on, and they provide a link to your website. So there will be a free traffic to you, and that traffic, that visitor, could be your potential customers. It can convert to your customers as clients to you, right? So you improve the referral traffic, or we can call it as well as organic traffic. Improve page rank, okay, because this is one of the factors that Google considered in ranking your websites. Okay, the more good quality, we call it follow links, okay, the better, right? Then, okay, let's look at some of the techniques how to improve your off-page SEO ataupun external SEO, your links, okay, to improve the numbers as well, the quantity as well as the quality of the links that coming to your website. Okay, one of it is what we call blogging lah, guest blogging. Okay, guest blogging meaning that you offer yourself as a writer or a blogger on somebody else's website or blogs. Okay, talking something related to your site as well. Okay, that means within the same industry lah, same industry. So let's say if you are selling jerseys, right? Maybe there is one blog on sports